Introducing AI Placen Plus, a highly concentrated serum containing human-like placenta, which is 100% bioengineered. This ethical placenta for your skin is powered by artificial intelligence. AI Placen Plus contains multiple growth factors, like placental growth factors, epidermal growth factors, insulin-like growth factors, acidic fibroblast growth factors, and thioredoxin. All the active ingredients are not from humans, animals, or plants, and are 100% nano-sized for increased penetration and rapid skin absorption, and to enhance overall effectiveness. AI Placen Plus is ideal for those looking for a complete skin renewal, reduction of fine lines and wrinkles, hyperpigmentation and uneven skin tone, poor refinement, as well as dull and lackluster skin. Use it day and night to experience the rebirth of your skin, made and used by doctors.